Next in line. Yeah, next in line, lady. Come on, okay. Oh, what are these? You actually going to buy that? Whatever floats your boat, lady. Oh, what do I mean? Nothing, I'll get fired. Never mind, sorry I spoke. Oh, God. Oh, are you serious about those underwears? You can fit a dinosaur in those. Oh, Jesus, why don't you lose weight or something, lady? Oh, God, my uncle's a truck driver and gets extremely lonely on long drives, and even he would pass up on what wears those. Oh, I'm sorry. I know I'm bad. I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry. Brownies. You're going to buy a box of brownies? No. 1, 2, 3, 3 boxes of brownies. Hey, be my guest. Go for it. Come back in a week for a bigger size of sundaes. You can always exchange. Oh, what? Oh, my manager is off duty right now. He's too busy porking the woman who works at next door or something. What? You are speaking to someone, lady? Me? Come on, just pass over the next item so you can get at your form. Come on, pass it over. Come on, pass it over. Oh, good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, a polka dot dress code. Now it makes sense now. You walk for the circus, don't you? Come on, you walk for the circus. Oh God. Do you have any kind of free tickets? Do you? Come on. Oh lady, why is your face turning beet red? Are you okay? That's why you should lay off the pasta over there, babe. I'll tell you what, why don't you go back in the store and buy yourself a salad? A nice, healthy salad. Go on, you do that. I'm right here waiting for you. Come on, I'll give you a recipe. Oh, God.